So a couple of years ago I thought it would be a great idea to straight pipe my Ford Focus RS. It turned out to be ridiculously loud, and we put back the original catalytic converter. But every year I also had to put back the original exhaust to get the car its MOT. And now it's time to put the loud exhaust back on. This is the stock exhaust. And as you can hear, it doesn't sound very good. Also, last time we went from the stock exhaust to the loud exhaust. That was at Simon's place. Because he has all the tools and everything. Here I don't have a lot of tools and I will have to be using a trailer and then run the car half up and then crawl underneath to remove the exhaust and put the loud exhaust back on. It'll be interesting, but I did it once and it probably will work again. These things have to be up a bit higher, otherwise I'm going to scrape the back end of the car. Actually, if you look at it, it goes down a little bit, then a bit up and then down again. So I'm just going to move it a bit further back. Let's see if by just removing the handbrake. Yep, it's moving. It's actually moving quite fast. A little push. Does that make a lot of difference? I don't know. So, normally this is good enough because there are only about 4 bolts or 2 bolts, can't remember. This is where we decided to cut our exhaust instead of here, which would have been a lot easier, because now this is just a mess of exhaust leak paste and shit. So I just have to loosen up those 2 bolts over there. Then this whole piece comes out, loosen up this here, and then just some rubbers everywhere with all the exhaust. And this is the massive back box, which is going to be removed completely. Let's get to it. This is very uncomfortable, by the way. I think I will need my friend WD-40. 1 second. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. God damn it. As you can see, they did a good job pasting this together. Now I just moved the clamp over there. Now I have to put some movement in here so I can loosen this. Those bolts are already off, and then I can remove the rubbers, and then showtime. Come on. Finally. That's one part off. Now the next one. So this is the original massive back box. Going to be replaced by just a straight through exhaust from Direnza. So I quickly had to run to the Ford dealership to get a new rubber, because the original one, well, it gave up. So this is going to go on here, which will connect to here. That's now on. I was lucky the Ford dealership had one in stock, because apparently with every part I've ordered so far for this car, it seems to be Focus RS specific. It sounds easy, just a few bolts, but I don't remember it being this difficult to line everything up. That was way more difficult than expected. Also broke some heat shielding. Anyway, that's the last bit. Oh, I think it's time for a startup.
Ja, goed.
Yay. Much better. I miss this.